Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Okay, so where were we? Where were we? Alright, Shift S, cursor 2 selected. Shall create another circle at that point there. So back to 3 again. Shift E, add a circle. We're on 6 sides. One is too much. Do it 2. And rotate on Z. Into edit. Scale it down a little bit. And then just move it up. Align it with one of them holes. This edge might need to come out. Right, same as before. And duplicates. Duplicates. 5. If all merge, instance 6 remove. I'm beginning to think it rotates them and then adds an extra one. Yeah, anyway. Right, so we now need to create a piece that will attach to our rim. So enter 2 and F for face, same all the way around. See how they're different shades of grey there. So 1, all, Shift and N. That didn't work. There's no definite way for them to be faced at the moment because they're all separated. So if we do, we select all this inner surface here. Actually, how many verts do we need to be connecting? So turn off sub D for now. Right, so this here has 32. What at 30? Oh, but it's added that extra line. No, that doesn't make sense. Okay, so now we need to make it 30 or as close as possible. But we'll take that jokes. I think it's just too many there. I like this again. See the temptation there went to try renaming that. Okay, extrude, scale. Right, now we do it all. Do a Shift N. There we go. Put them around the right way. So how many is around the outside? Oh. Select all the outside also. Currently on 20, so extrude scale. Just see it now there also. Right, this time do a right click, go to circle. Best fit. Oof. Yeah, best fit will do. Scale that out a bit. It's slightly skew if. So rotate X. Line them below. So that looks even at the top there. The whole. Yep. This also needs to be a circle, so rotate X again. And on the inside. And on the outside. So somehow we need to make this 20 into 32 or even a 30. 30 should be easy enough. So we'll do a 2, we'll do Control R there. And again. or to add the line, and then slight rotate on your mouse wheel so there's a double line. Drop it back to 1. Of course, we've got to make this circular again. Same with the outside. Circle. Slightly move. So we'll rotate it again. Just line them up. Oh. Just so it seems even at them points. Right, so I have a feeling. Let's go in just a little bit. And then extrude and scale again, believe it or not. And just slide it back a little bit. Not do. So back to this one. Highlight this edge here. X1. Now we need to highlight this and highlight this. J. In the tab. Hold, do Shift N. Now, as we join this is going to create, since that's 30 and that's a 32, it's going to be a triangle created somewhere. Just highlight both of them, right click, bridge, and there's one there. Be another one somewhere else. One. If we do Control R in there and make that a 2, supporting line edges. Let's put something back and see what it does. Right click, smooth. Can't get away with putting one in there. Not that we really need to, but let's highlight all of these. Extrude X. Actually, undo that. Put my main crease on them first, then extrude X. One problem here with the back of the rim is, if you look at it from a distance and low, maybe he's going to be able to see inside of there. I had no idea how to do this bit. So we'll select that, plus it just goes to that edge there. Right, so if we do a Shift D and X, move it out of the way. There was scale X -1, so it flips it back on itself. They are scaled in, so they should be okay. So now we'll do a scale X0 in there. Select active element. And if we just highlight that one there, and then we'll snap that back to there. Do all merge since it's created the inside. Not the best way to do it, but just for something that's not really going to be seen, it doesn't really matter. So highlight this edge and this edge now. Pull that edge back a bit. Do it. Put that on medium, scale that out a bit. Do extrude X. Scale it out a bit. Pull this one back also. Active element back on again. Highlight one of them there, then just do a scale X and 0. Brings them all together. highlight both of those edges and go bridge. So the only problem now is you need to highlight them as edges, not verts. Menu a second. We could get rid of doing this one also at the same time. And let's do that one as well. So we'll do a Control B bevel. Slide it out. Then add another one in so it's a 3. That looks a little strange there for some reason. As if it's not connected. No, hang on. Right, so Control B. Bevel it. It is, look, why is it doing that? Oh, hang on. Make sure you're on medium, sorry, it's a stupid mistake. Control B. It's doing it again. What on earth is going on? That's not working, is it? We'll pay that. Is it because there's too many selected at the same time? Oh, look, it's going crazy everywhere. Well, if that happens to yours, then say it. Just add an edge in there. Or add an edge in there. Some supporting edges. These ports are hidden, so they're not really necessary. See, we'll work with this one by itself. Will be. Then want all merge by distance. Tell you what, shift and N, it's normals. If the normals were around the wrong way, that's why. Ugh. Anyway, there we go. Sometimes we join these as well. The bridge. Make sure you get the whole thing. That one there and that one. Yeah, so deep. So we can see what's going on. Bridge. There we go. There. Bridge. And then one's here. Bridge. Bridge. And one. Bridge. This bit needs to have a 1 on there. So extrude X. Slide scale in. Extrude scale. X again. Slide scale. And then, rather than having a vert in the center, it pulls all in the center because that just looks so messy. We can do a right click and go to a grid fill here somewhere. Tools. Nope. 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 Okay, well, just press F3. Grid fills here. So perhaps I'll take that in the previous one. But now, mate, there we go. Grid fill. Where did I type grid fill? Anyway, here we go. I've got 3. Oops. No, just leave it flat. But we'll take off the main cruise. Put one of them around there. There we go. There. Right, so this time that is definitely all done. F3, just doing that grid fill on that. Need to put some nuts over there, I guess. But anyway, here we go. First one. 8 images. Overkill, but there we go. Control save. Control S to save. Right, I shall catch you in the next one. Hopefully, this will be tyres. Oh, tyres. But like I say, I think there's an easy way of doing them there. Anyway, catch you in a bit. Catch you in the next one.